What's up, fellow maniacs? Ray here, and I've got my new sprocket. We're going to throw this 62 tooth onto my mini bike. It has 72 tooth now, so we're going to go from about a 6:1 to a 5:1 gear ratio, which I think will be good for about 45 miles an hour at 6,000 RPM. I'm going to take my old 72 tooth and throw it on Jimmy's over here.
Because his one was on this one. Then I put that one on that one, and now I want to put that one back on that one, and that one is going to go up on the wall or something.
Yeah, that one's going to be extra. This is a new one. It has I think the right bolt pattern and the inner diameter to fit on my Monster Moto wheel. And this is supposed to be 35 chain sprocket. It fits. It fits on your chain really good. So, brand new, brand spanking new. Let's do this. Bada boom, bada bing. Oh, it looks like it's gonna fit, maybe. It's a little tight.
So we'll just switch chains.
Maybe, yeah. This one's a little tight. I gotta clean up the inside here and work on that a little bit. Better. I think I can make that work. This came with new bolts. See if we can make those work. They're slightly longer than the old ones. I don't think that matters. They look a little nicer. They do not go into threads. Kind of threads, huh?
Rethread them or use the old bolts?
I think there's just a bunch of shit in the threads. I just got to clean out the threads. But they're still a little tight in a couple of spots. Let me just run one down just to make sure it doesn't go.